Let us show you how to save lots of money by cutting down on your advertising budget and save a lot of time by using target advertising. We provide a way for people to save money by eliminating direct mailing and by providing direct or target advertising with a personal touch. Stop wasting money on direct mail that gets thrown away or door hangers that can be blown away in the wind. In the hard economic times we are facing, two things are very important in business: saving money at all cost and bringing in new customers while retaining a strong customer base. Let our team work for you. We are Ads Directly. Our advertising methods have proved effective and bring results. Our clients have spread the word. We're the real deal. You see, when our clients succeed, we succeed. We use the proven advertising media of magazines, but we've added a new twist. We do not use the Postal Service to deliver.
No Postal Service.
Our dedicated sales team hand delivers each and every magazine to 5,000 homes in our area.
Every single home.
Therefore, our full-color ads that are second to none, including your ad, is in 5,000 magazines delivered to 5,000 homes at no additional cost to you. People will know who you are, where you are, and what you are about.
Check out our website.
We don't pressure anyone to buy huge, expensive ads. Our ads are affordable and get the job done. We have a continually expanding business as we constantly are looking for innovative ways to increase business for our clients. We have plans to expand our marketing ranges by establishing offices all over the United States. At Ads Directly, we take pride in our work. Our clients trust us, and we continue to earn that trust by working for and closely with each and every single one. We are always on the lookout for new innovative ideas to help us as well as our clients succeed and increase business. Here's something else we do. Everyone knows what a billboard is and what it's used for. Billboards may seem old hat, but they've been used effectively and have been a mainstay for many years.
They really work.
Guess what? We use billboards as well, but once again, with a new twist. Harnessing the power of modern technology, we use mobile billboard advertising. Check it out. Here's how it works. We drive around in a truck with an LED screen embedded on both sides in an area specified by you to get the message out to an unprecedented number of people at an incredibly low cost. Studies have estimated that businesses using this technology have increased business by up to 1,000 people for every $2 spent. It's an exciting, fun way to do advertising.
Give it a try.
At Ads Directly, we encourage our clients to share with us their specific needs and ideas for advertising. Because, once again, we're always looking for that next best thing. If you're ready to take the next step with our innovative target marketing or the exciting and effective mobile billboard advertising, contact us at www.adsdirectly.com. We are excited to be able to bring our customers the latest in advertising technology, and we look forward to bolstering your sales and success as we work together. We're available 24/7.
Every day.
Contact us today with details of your needs, and we'll send an immediate quote and a quick response. www.adsdirectly.com